Hey everyone! Let's dive into the features of the incredible Linsy Home Oversized Modular Sectional Couch. This versatile sofa allows you to customize your layout into a perfect L or U shape. You can easily refresh your living room using the removable and machine-washable fabric covers. Each seat features hidden storage space for your blankets, pillows, and all your favorite board games. The premium memory foam cushions and steel springs provide a perfect balance of support and relaxation. This sturdy frame supports 300 pounds per seat while using safe and certified materials. Assembly is simple with no extra tools required, making it easy to move through tight hallways. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.